Alright guys, what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be playing Capuchin Labs for 10 hours straight. But, let's get into the vid. Oh, we're playing Bird Runners? Well, what, Penguin Paradise? Just kidding, guys, you guessed it. We're actually playing Capuchin. I don't know why I'm pointing at the fish game banner, but see what's in the new update. How did you get cosmetics?
I said Capuchin. I'm gonna open the door. Bro, do you see? You have the maid outfit on.
0. I have 0.
Voy a intentar de hablar inglés. There is a glitch. Presiona el glitchito.
Wait, what?
Presiona el
My
chili.
5,000. How did I get 5,000?
No, cuando compras algo te da dinero.
I've wanted this my entire life.
Cuando
Yeah!
compras algo.
Yes! Oh yeah! Yeah!
Hey, ¿cómo se juega este juego? ¿Alguien me puede ayudar?
I'm so cool looking. I want to see something. Could I get that? Can I bug the game into getting it? Bug.
¿Me pueden ayudar a jugar el juego?
If I get that, 500 left. I can get that. Cheeto? No, I can't get Cheeto. Oh yeah. I don't want that though. See, I can get you today. I can get not you. I can't get you. I can't get you. I could have got you. Can't get you. Can't get you. Still can't get you.
¿Alguien aquí habla
Can't
español? Yo no
get you.
entiendo inglés.
Can't get you because I'm too poor now. All right.
Hey, yo no entiendo inglés. ¿Me ayudas?
Free Bob.
I'm
Wait,
sorry.
how am I gonna get
I
in
don't
there?
speak Spanish.
How am I gonna get in
I
there?
feel bad for me.
Come here, mate.
You can't find anyone that speaks Spanish.
Join the code fart.
Mate, we
No,
need to go to
no. Join the code.
I need to get the card.
Because I have other friends in there.
Scary.
Join the code.
Hey, join the code 12345. I guess
P.
12345. Hey, what should I call you? Because I don't want to keep on calling you mate. Bro.
Y.
Call me Perp. Because that's my Oculus name. Perp.
Perp?
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the code again?
Okay, join now.
12345.
T.
12345.
N.
Yeah.
L.
Boy, people move. We're trying to join a
Y.
code, man. Hello, sir.
3.
Hello, kind.
Hey, ¿cuál es el código? ¿Cuál es el código? ¿Cuál es
It's a server.
Look how much more people join.
I have a few people joining, I think.
Yo, let's go, monkeys. Let's go. Monkeys. Welcome to the
Really?
monkeys.
To yourself.
Monkeys. Slice them up.
Yeah, I want to see something. See
Monkeys. Get down to mines.
Come in.
Monkeys.
Oh, I have 100.
What's up, my monkeys?
Oh, wait, now. I'm ultra white.
What's up, my monkeys?
Oh, I get it. Well,
What's up, monkeys?
the little thing that shows it off is white because Walter White. Walter Cartwheel White. Or
Level 2, boys. Everyone, are you
Heisenberg.
done with level 1?
No, I have to really quickly do this dumb thing.
Do it, bro. Chupa monkey, do it. We will be in level 2.
Wait, I'm still on level 1.
We'll be in monkey level 2. No, we're going to level 2. We're going to level 2. We're not in
But
level 2 yet.
help me. I need someone to get the guy away so I can
Oh,
put
yeah.
my tape in.
He's not there. Oh, yeah.
He is.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you're right. Well, here, I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll be sitting here. I'll be the guard. Okay.
Speed run.
Where's this?
I'm like that YouTuber.
Get the tape.
Like,
Get the tape.
Dream. I have the tape.
I'll distract you. I'll distract you.
Alright.
Where's the safe room? Put it in.
Alright, I have to get.
Where's the safe room?
I've been distracted. Go in.
Go, go, go!
Where's the safe room?
survive that.
Bro, I can literally. Where's the safe room? Monkey. Guys,
I'll distract him. I'll distract him if you guys
I can
need.
juke him. Oh, monkey. You gotta go this. You gotta do like this. You gotta do juke. My arm got stuck in the ceiling.
Wait, did you
Bro,
already get
get
it?
him, bro.
Yeah.
That one, monkey. Oh,
Oh.
get him, bro.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Yes, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, I'm right here. Right here. You wanna eat me? I'm yum. I'm yummy. Ankles. Ankles broken. Ain't no way.
Where's the safe room?
I'm gonna go to level 2 now. I
Where's the safe
infiltrated this server. And they think I'm one of their friends.
Come on, monkeys. Every monkey.
Come on, monkey.
Go,
Monkey, come on.
No man behind. Somebody died.
No monkey
Oh,
behind.
you guys getting down. Just kidding.
Magic.
Monkey open.
I can't go in there. I can't go in there, guys.
Come on, monkey.
Goofy out, monkey. Goofy
Ow.
out, monkey. Goofy out, monkey.
Actually.
No man behind, but this man.
Whoa, what the hell?
Follow me.
Yep, start running. Guys, you heard nothing. I was...
Buddy.
No, I'm not.
Yo, wait, who?
I
Are
do.
you the guy?
I'm the one with the sparkler.
Break it. Tickle it. Break it open. Shoot it open. Boom, boom. It's invincible, bro. Bro, they ain't behind you. Run! Fucking run!
Wait, what?
I got him, bro. I'm monkey savior. Go back!
Bro, this is why I don't like being in the back. Slash front. Because everybody's so slow. I'm like, it was a weird dream. Who are those people in the house? Ah!